Scrolling, what if I told you that you can start losing weight from today without going to the gym, without expensive equipment, and without starving yourself? Yes, you heard that right. In the next few minutes, I will show you simple beginner friendly exercise you can do at home that can help you burn fat, boost your metabolism, and transform your body step by step. Let's get started. Many people think weight loss is complicated. Gym membership, strict diets, long workout hours. But the truth is, weight loss starts with simple, consistent habits. And today I am going to show you the easiest home exercise that any beginner can start right now. Section 1. Warm up, very important. Before starting any workout, warming up is essential. It prevents injuries and prepares your body. Warm up routine 3 or 5 minutes. Arm circle 30 seconds. Neck rotation 30 seconds. March in place 1 minute. Light jumping or step touch 1 minute. Know your body is ready. Section 2. Best beginner exercise. Number 1. Jumping jack. Fat burner. Great for full body burners. Calories fast. Do for 30 seconds. Rest 10 seconds. Number 2. Body weight squats. Target thick and glutes. 10 or 15 repetitions. Tip: keep your back straight. Number 3. Knee push ups. Beginner friendly. Strength chest and arms. 8 or 12 repetitions. Number 4. Plank. Core killer. Burns belly fat. Hold for 20 or 30 seconds. Number 5. High knees. Cardio boosts 30 seconds. Number 6. Glute bites. Strengthens lower body 12 repetitions. Number 7. Mountain climber. Burns fat quickly 30 seconds. Section 3. Simple workout plan. Do this routine 2 or 3 rounds. Rest 1 minute between rounds. Total time 10 or 15 minutes. Perfect for beginners. Section 4. Important fat loss tips. Number 1. Eat clean, reduce sugar, avoid junk food, increase protein. Number 2. Drink more water, boost metabolism. Number 3. Sleep properly. 7 or 8 hours sleep. Number 4. Stay active, walk more daily. Section 5. Common mistakes. Skipping workouts, expecting fast results, not being consistent. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Section 6. Motivation boost. You do not need to the perfect. You just need to start. Every drop of sweat is progress. Every day you show up. you get closer to your goal. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to lose weight. Your journey